Hey everyone, in this video we're going to show you how to apply for Commonwealth Bank of Australia credit card online. It's usually a really simple process and you can do everything right from your computer or phone. So first things first, head over to the Commonwealth Bank website. And once you're there, you then have to go to the credit card section, which is usually found at the top right menu. So once you've found it, you then see different card options like low rate cards, reward cards and student cards. So simply take a moment to compare them and pick the one that fits your needs. And when you found the card you want, you can then click on it and select Apply Now. This then takes you to the online application form. Now, you then need to fill out some basic information like your full name, date of birth, contact information, and address. And you then have to enter your employment details like your income and monthly expenses. So Commonwealth Bank uses this information to check that you can comfortably manage the credit limit you're asking for. And if you already have a CommBank NetBank account, you can also log in first because this makes it so much easier and faster, as all your information will automatically fill in. And once everything is filled out, simply review your details and submit. So you might get an instant decision, but sometimes they'll email you within a few days, especially if they need to verify your information or request extra documents. And if you're approved, your new credit card will be mailed directly to your address. And once it arrives, you can also activate it straight away through the CommBank app or NetBank. And that's it. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.